Got the Weber Smokey Mountain fired up today. We're gonna have some onions and hot dogs. We're gonna get them hot dogs nice and brown. That's the way we like them. Then we're gonna get some buns on there and get them toasted up. Oh yeah. Now let's build that bad boy. Put the weenie on there. Put a little bit of this spicy mustard on there. And now we got some special sauce, and I will put the recipe for this down in the description box below because it's really good. And of course we got to put some of those onions on there. Now, there we go. We plate that up with some pico, avocado, some slaw, and a pickle. We got a meal. And of course I've got to share it with my fur buddies. They always get a piece of what I'm cooking. Hey, y'all, want to thank you for tuning in. This is Dave the Bomb. Until next time, don't take this day for granted, folks, because when it's gone, it's gone.